ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅಂತ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ವಾಹಿದ್.
ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಮಾರ್ಬಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Yes, sir. So this is Royal Diana, imported from Italy. Very beautiful pattern. This is what is that polishing is up to 7 coat. It will look like a mirror. It is very budgetable material for our Bangaloreans, like in this climate. The Royal Diana is most favorite material in the Bangalore area. ಸರ್ ಇದು ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರವಿ ಸರ್?
ಇದು ಬಂದು 18 mm ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಬಂದು ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟು ನಾವು ಬರೀ 3 ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ 7 ಕೋಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸಿ ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗ್ಲಾಸಿ ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂಥರ ಲ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಮಾರ್ಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲುಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೀವು 7 ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 10 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ತನಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಲುಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗೆ ಇದೆ.
ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದು ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಲಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ಲಾಡಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಡೂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
ದಿಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 350 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 350 to 450 ತನಕ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಸರ್.
This is silver potro. This one also imported material from Italy. The European countries mostly produce the maximum number of marbles. The Bangalore people would like very much in this color because black and silver. It is called, so that's why silver potro. So Arvind sir is there.
Yeah.
So what is the rate? What is the features?
They start from 600 rupees and it's a very hot material. The background will be black and these grains will be white and grey. Actually, this is all you can go for a cladding or flooring or any border. You can make it in marble. You can do the designs, but these all looks very unique and very different color. These all natural stone and these all Italian based material. The background will be the black and this will be the white and this grain will be a grain. It shows different colors. This is grey and this is white and mixed with the grey and white.
Okay. What is the size?
This
Size
size
of the
is
slab?
6 and of white 10 feet.
Oh.
White is black is some very lengthy and very broad. Broader one.
In case the customer will book that material, you provide that fitting labels and everything.
Yeah. We have a professional here and we have a professional guys. Only we will prefer for a professional.
This is our scope company labels. Yes. Fine.
And this is golden colonial gold and this is a granite. And this is for diamond polishing material. In this is all Italian based polished material and the thickness will be 20 mm thickness. 20 mm means it will come almost 20 mm. This is very hot material. The granite is very hot material. If it is a duplex or hall is big, you can lay like that itself. If the duplex house is small, you should cut and you should lay this board. So it will be a book match material. The same what you are seeing it. If you lay in landing, it looks same.
Sir, it is preferable for kitchen top?
Yeah, you can go for a kitchen top and down.
Kitchen top.
Not it.
Oh, kitchen top also is very beautiful. This one is canonical gold premium. It is called more golden color is that. You see and observe the polish. It is a diamond coat polishes. So the flooring, wall cladding, or staircase, or kitchen top is very most beautiful material. Our scope granite and imported marbles already supplied in Prestige Augusta, Purva Palm Beach, Brigade Bhuvanna, and Bharati City. We have a more happy customer is there. So you would like this material is very beautiful and rate also is very reasonable for below 350 range. below 350 range is very beautiful. The 20 mm thickness is there. You see this and polish. You feel the polish. It is export quality. It is a export quality material.
And the background will be a golden finishing. This background will be the golden finishing, and it is a cream. It comes cream, and background is fully gold. And this dot looks very beautiful and gives higher range. People can put in very beautiful. It comes like a Italian polished material.
Friends.
Yeah, we have in another. This is also colonial gold, but these grains it will come little bit closer, and you can see this one. This looks like a glassy finishing, glassy moment. This particular in this, these all natural stones. These all natural stones, but the block if we cut, it gives a different type of qualities.
Sir, it is health-wise, it is very suitable for
No,
old
this
age
is a normal-
people,
this
for
is a- This is a
child.
normal temperature it will give.
Fine.
This is all 20 mm thickness.
What is the range, sir? This
This
it is
starts
from
from-
size is
This
large.
size is 6 feet by 9.5 feet,
Oh.
9 to 10 feet,
Fine.
and this is 20 mm thickness.
Yes. This one also imported marble from Italy. Our present trend in Bangalore, mostly the client and the software people, government employees, teachers, everybody like this Italian marble only. So it is called golden spider. You see this band is not a painting. It is a natural color. The band is very beautiful. It is a multicolor. You feel this shell like ANSYS pieces. So rate also very good. It is only for sample polish. You will take a 7-coat polish. It will like a mirror finish. So below 300 rupees range, you will get very beautiful imported marble at only Scope Granite and imported marbles. So happy customer is there. Very beautiful. Look wise, rate wise, service wise is very most beautiful. Param sir, anything?
And the background will be the cream based this thing, and this name is Rosso Potro. Rosso Potro means the color is like a rose, and this is all Potro. This comes like a cream based material. These all this we have polished only three coats. If we polish 7 coats, this looks like a glass, and it looks amazing in the flooring material. You can go for a cladding, flooring, and staircase.
Okay. It is a child room also is very good, sir.
Yeah, it's very
Child
good.
room is very beautiful.
You can see that is a darker and this is a light room. This is all natural stones.
Oh,
This is the main scenario in this Rosso Potro.
okay.
Yeah, this is granite. This is granite. It is the background is cream based material, and this length is almost 7 feet by 11 feet. This is very strong and very strong. You can go directly. You can go for a kitchen countertop, flooring, and you can go for a cladding,
Yes, sir.
and you can it is a very hard material. You can put it everywhere in house. Yeah, you can go for a outer staircase also.
So what is this red color dot is there more?
No,
So
these
what
all
is this?
these all natural stones. These all natural stones.
It is a very
It is normally it will come. It is, if we cut blockwise, the granite is there.
It is a natural like a
Natural
gemstone.
stone.
Like a
Yeah.
gemstone.
These
It is
are
a called
harder
garnet. Garnet. So it is a what is very friendly. What is
Friendly.
it?
Granite
Friendly
is
material
like
is
a
granite.
friendly. Practically, if we tell in Kannada, granite is like a mudde utta.
Mudde utta.
Yeah.
Oh.
Simply, it is very hot.
Very fine. Arun sir, what is this?
This
That's
is
the
a-
same,
Yeah,
but
this is colonial white.
colonial white.
Yeah, this background will be the white base material, and the dot will be little bit what we say little bit The dot it will not be
Yeah,
there. So the background will be plain white based
White,
materials. What we have seen that is a cream based
Cream
and
based.
this is a white based. And these are 20 mm thickness.
21.
Yeah. You can go for a flooring.
This range, sir?
This it starts from 265
260.
to 350.
Scope granite and imported marble provide the labor also for
Provide
import.
labor,
Uh-huh.
laying part, and if you have a professional layer,
Professional layers.
yeah. You can see in our website also, Scope Granite and Marble website. If you see, you know what is the value of our company, and we will how we provide the customer care, and we will give a neat and clean explanation for
Yes,
the
sir.
site.
Already we saw 4.9 star is there out of 5. Out of 5, 4.9 star is there. Very good.
Why not? We are giving a good service, right?
Thank you. Welcome.
When we are
So custom-
when we are maintaining the quality, automatically the client will do ours.
So,
That's the main scenario.
so our request is all Bangalore customers, please come and visit our showroom once in your construction period. We will provide very good, beautiful materials.
Not Bangalore client.
Uh,
All over India, you can come and visit our.
already you supplied in Hyderabad also.
Yeah. We have
Hyderabad,
supplied in Hyderabad,
Tamil
Tamil Nadu,
Kerala,
Kerala.
Pune also.
Pune
segment.
also we have supplied.
Okay. So this is beauties of Scope Granite and Marbles. Already you saw a lot of collections, rate-wise. It is very quality-oriented material.
We have 200 different colors.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please visit our showroom. Have a good
Subscribe-
experience with
subscription
our.
is very important. Please put your finger on the bell. Very important thing. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.